What's going on, guys? Ryan here with Texsource, also known as ScreenPrintingSupply.com. How many of you guys ever had a Swiss Army knife growing up? You know, the little small knife gadget that would have a knife, a screwdriver, tweezers, toothpick, all kinds of little things in one little gadget. Well, this is what we're reviewing today, the Easiway dip tank, and what I'm calling is the Swiss Army knife dip tank. This dip tank holds 25 gallons of solution, allows you to fit screen sizes automatic to manual. Overall dimensions of this dip tank is 35 by 28. And again, it allows you to fit automatic and manual screens, up to 3 screens at once. You typically don't want to force any more than that. But the reason why I call it Swiss Army knife dip tank is because you can put automatic and manual, as well as some of the features. It has a screen hold down bar. Some dip tanks don't have a bar that holds down your screen, so you have to put a 5-gallon bucket or a gallon bucket, quart, something to hold the screens down. But this one has a built-in screen hold down bar that will keep all your screens down. Another great feature, which is my favorite feature of the dip tank, is a drip ledge. A lot of dip tanks, you have to, once you take your screen out of the solution, you have to put it into your lid to catch your chemical. Well, this dip tank has a drip ledge. Allows you to put your screen here, allows all the chemicals to drain back into the dip tank, kind of saving solution, and you're not wasting chemicals. Another great feature of this dip tank is the rib design. So it has 2 notches in the dip tank, which allows the chemical to flow a little bit differently instead of just all in the middle, because some dip tanks will expand and explode into the middle, allowing it to won't keep its design. This dip tank with the 2 notches in the middle will keep its design and hold its posture the whole time. Also, this dip tank comes with a spout at the bottom, allows you to easily dispose of your chemicals, making it easy to put new chemicals in, with a sludge basin at the bottom. So when you're changing out your chemicals, be sure to get all the sludge and all the ink and all the grime that's falling off of the screen into your dip tank, and make sure you get that out, because over time, if you leave that stuff in, it can cause your chemicals to die quicker. So always make sure when you're replacing your chemicals in a dip tank to remove all the sludge and all that stuff at the bottom. But hope this video was good. Hope you guys like it. Like I said, again, in my opinion, this is a Swiss Army knife dip tanks. It's been a great design, a great new thing that Easiway has made. So if you liked our video, please subscribe online. Go to YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Check us out everywhere, or go to our website at ScreenPrintingSupply.com. Thanks.